Hi everyone, welcome into Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to upload a file in Playwright step by step. I will explain how you can upload a file and then verify that the file is successfully uploaded. So let's begin. Create a new test file. Right click on test folder. Inside, you can create a new test file. Right click and click on new file. Enter file name, upload underscore file dot spec dot ts. This is the file name, and here you can view a new file has been created successfully. Let's import here and remove all these lines. First, import test and expect. This is used for assertions. Now create a new test file. We need to create a new test file for uploading. Right click on this test folder and then click on new file. Enter file name sample underscore file dot txt. This is the extension, and here write some text. This is a testing file. Now save this file. We have successfully created a new file for uploading. So open Chrome browser, and here first we will upload a file and then click on this upload button. Navigate to this URL, open VS Code and enter here await page dot go to and then enter URL. This is for navigating to the URL. Navigate to the website. First, define the path of your file which is placed on a system. So here we will use const file path and then enter the file name is equal to file name. This is file name sample underscore file.txt, and this file placed inside this folder which is tests. First write this folder name which is tests and then enter this file name sample underscore file with extension .txt. Upload the file using input file. Await page dot set input files. Here you can view set input files method is used for uploading a file in a Playwright. Set input files. This is the method, and look at this element which is choose file. Right click here, inspect, and here we can look at this element by ID which is file dash upload. Here file dash upload and then enter this variable name which is file path. Here we define file path which exists in a system test. This is the complete path, and here we enter this variable name which is file path. This is the ID for locating this element which is choose file button. This is input class is equal to button and ID type is equal to submit and value is upload. Now click on the button. we need to click on button after uploading this file. As you can view, after selecting this file, we need to click on this upload button for upload this file. Click on the upload button. Await page dot click and enter ID here. Let's see how we can locate this element. Right click here, inspect. Here ID is file dash submit. For clicking on the button, you need to use click method, which is used for clicking. Click on the button. Let's add some weight here for better understanding. Await page dot page dot timeout. And wait for timeout and 3000. Now we can run the test. For running this test, let's understand about these lines. First, import test and expect from Playwright. This is the test case name, which is handling alert. Let's change here. Upload file in Playwright. And this is for navigating to the URL. First, you need to open the website, and here the enter variable name, which is file path. We define here file path and await page dot set input file. Set input files method is used for uploading a file, and then click on submit button after uploading the file. Now run the test by enter command here npx playwright test, enter file name, which is upload underscore file dot spec dot ts, headed dash dash project is chromium, and then click on enter. After uploading this file, I will show you how you can add assertions. Navigate to this URL and it will upload the file. As you can view here, navigate to this URL and click on this upload button. As you can view here, file uploaded successfully, but it does not click on this upload button. Let's see why this is not working. Await page dot click, because here you need to enter hash. We are locating this element by ID, so you need to enter hash here. Control C for quit, and again run the test and see what happens. Clear is used for clear. You can view here clear, and again run the test. Click on enter. This is the command for running the test npx playwright and then test. After test, you need to enter test file name. Open this URL and it will upload the file. After uploading the file, it will click on the upload button. As you can view here, file uploaded successfully, and this is the file name. But here we need to add some assertions. Let's see. Click on choose file and then upload this file, and then click on upload. Now here we are getting this text file uploaded. Right click here, inspect, and this is the heading 3 and contains text which is file uploaded. So we can locate this element by locator. Open VS Code, await, expect page dot locator, round brackets, and heading 3 dot to have text file uploaded. Save this file and again run the test. And then click on enter. Running test. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL, upload the file, and then click on upload button. After uploading file, it will verify this file uploaded text should be displayed after uploading the file. As you can view here, running test run successfully. If you enter invalid text here, now the test case will be failed, because here we add assertions to have text file uploaded. Now in this scenario, test case will be failed because expected and actual text is not equal. And here test case will be failed. Here you can view expected string. This is the expected string, but receiving string is file uploaded. Let's correct this text and again run the test. Now test case will be passed. Click on enter for running the test. Running one test using one worker. We get to this URL, upload the file, and then click on upload button, and the test case will be passed. So that's how you can easily handle file upload in Playwright using set input files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share to SQL World. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.